Okay, let's get at it.
Woo! Yay, hiking.
The lion climbing killie has begun. All packed up. And moving out. It's October 17th, 2021. Day 138. This might be our first day that we started out with headlamps on the entire trip so far. Our goal is to make the climb up to McAfee Knob, which is a sub 1 mile, so not bad. And catch the sunrise with probably about 50 of our closest camping friends who were all around last night. And we shall see. Chilly morning. We're all bundled up. Gloves and everything. Tinker Cliff, 4.9 miles. Luckily, we're not going that way. We are racing the pinking of the sky. So a pre-sunrise. Here we are.
Should I blast off right now? That'd be inappropriate.
We'll have some big camera.
We haven't got a McAfee. You probably don't need to. It's changing. Like when the sun first comes up, yeah, go ahead and just as the sun gets brighter, it can just do it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out how many going.
Okay. You're off. What's that? The gaggles of people. Actually, McAfee Knob was less gaggly than the cliffs where we caught the sunrise. What's that?
The sunrise is better than the sunset.
Yep.
So we worked that out.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I think we did beat the crew coming over from the cliffs to the knob. Okay, we've got a short day today. Yeah, I think it's like a 10.5 mile day. And we've already done about a mile. Where are we headed?
Four Pines Hostel?
Heading to the Four Pines Hostel. But I think McAfee Knob was our big show for the day. Now it's mostly downhill, a couple quick views. And then we warm up in someone's garage. Yeah. I can't wait till we're past the parking lot. Yeah. I bet you're right. It is a busy trail, and the wind has picked up again. I have a feeling this is why the trail was crowded. That is one full parking lot. Yep. Hello, honey. Nicely done. I like short days, sub 5 to go. Hey, you said it was all downhill.
Nope.
Making our climb still towards the end of the day. It's still early in the day. It's not even noon yet, and it's closing in on end of day for us. A couple of steep climbs like this. Surprisingly steep to me. But we're walking next to a nice valley area. So it's been a really nice climb.
Why is there a turnstile in the middle of the trail when you could just go straight on the trail?
That's where the blaze is.
And more importantly, why did you go through it twice?
Making it our way through a pasture. And I think we're wondering if that would be dragon's tooth. Be our guess. That's our fun tomorrow. Day 3 of our Triple Crown. Oof. I think We're going to say hi to a couple fat cows that are
One of them laying right across.
laying in our... Wow.
Gate, baby.
I'm sorry.
I had no
Wow.
problem.
Okay, fat butt. Hello. Hello, Mr. 69. Hello.
Oh, the flies in your eyeball though. Oh, poor baby. Okay, move it along.
That's okay. You'll still be delicious when we eat you.
It's a whole cow party over here.
Yeah, wow. You guys are just hanging.
Shade. They're not. Small for Thanksgiving. I grew up in Virginia.
All right, it is the end of day 138. So good day. We started at Pig Farm Campsite.
At O'Dark 100.
At O'Dark 100. Us and a
Like
whole
gazillion
line of,
people?
of other hikers humped up the hill to McAfee Knob, or at least the cliffs before the knob, which is where we caught sunrise.
The sunrise was beautiful.
It was really nice
Absolutely
sunrise.
beautiful.
So the day was, the weather was perfect, other than being chilly and windy. The views were great.
Spectacular today.
Yep. And then we went from the cliffs over to McAfee Knob itself.
Took
and
our iconic pictures.
took all our pictures. I wasn't going to do it because everyone does it, but I ended up doing it, so I guess I'm everybody now. But we did get there before most of the rest of the crowd, so we were able to do those pictures with a smaller group.
And there was a super nice guy that we asked to take a picture of the two of us, and not only did he do that, but he took a million pictures. He was playing with lighting and all kinds of stuff, which was really kind of
So
fun.
we did want to hire him as our official trail photographer, but he probably
No.
has better things to do. Oh well, and then
Kept hiking.
kept hiking. You had a big milestone today.
I hit halfway on the trail today, so half of the miles of the trail are done for me. Thank you for making a sign for me.
1096.55.
0.55, yeah. So, which, there's another 700 and whatever to go down to Springer, and then the 386 at North. So that was kind of exciting for me.
Yep, so that's awesome. Congrats. You're
And
the best.
then we hiked into Four Pines Hostel,
Yep.
which is what you see behind us. It's a 3-car garage that the gentleman's turned into a hostel. Very low-key kind of place, very chill. There's a big fire pit outside, so we're going to go move over in the sunshine in a few minutes and sit by the fire and warm up
Somewhere over
a
there.
bit because it's a little chilly and windy.
Yep.
But you know what? For us, we had a grocery run down to do resupply and bunk beds and a flushing toilet, and life is good.
Yep. All good. Okay.
Any highlights, lowlights otherwise today?
No, it was other than it's suddenly fall because it's a chilly day
It is
today.
suddenly chilly. I think it's the wind.
But the clearness, it's beautiful blue sky, nice clouds out, puffy clouds. So,
And my low light is just that it was so crowded. It was such
Yeah.
a pretty day, and it was a Sunday, and we passed 100 people. I don't know,
Yeah.
a lot of people on trail today. The parking lot at the bottom of the McAfee Knob trailhead when we came down the mountain was completely packed, and we were constantly stepping off trail for people to pass each other. We were
Yeah.
so much happier when we passed that parking lot, and we saw a couple people after that, but not many. So tomorrow's Monday. Hopefully it won't be quite so crowded out here.
right. Yep. Tomorrow's day 3 of our triple crown. So we did Tinker Cliffs. Today was McAfee Knob, and tomorrow will be Dragon
Treasure
Street.
Stew. So we'll
Okay.
see you tomorrow.